Want to offer Facebook and Instagram ad services but don't know where to start? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how you can easily provide these services with Vendasta. And trust me, you'll want to hear this till the end, because I'll also share how you can try Vendasta for free with some exclusive bonuses. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to know is that Vendasta is a platform designed to help businesses sell digital marketing services like Facebook and Instagram ads. It gives you everything you need to create, manage, and scale ad campaigns, whether you're doing it for your own business or offering it as a service to clients. All of this is wrapped up in an easy-to-use interface that saves you time and effort. Next thing, Vendasta simplifies everything. No need to worry about ad management tools or learning complicated software. Vendasta takes care of the technical side, so you can focus on what matters, helping clients grow their businesses through targeted social media advertising. It has built-in tools for creating ads, targeting the right audience, setting budgets, and even analyzing results. The third thing you'll love about Vendasta is its integration with Facebook and Instagram. You can manage all your clients' campaigns directly from the platform, track performance, and make data-driven decisions. It's super simple to get started, whether you're a marketing pro or just starting out. Now, let's talk about how this works for offering Facebook and Instagram ad services. With Vendasta, you can access their marketing automation tools to run campaigns that are fully optimized. You don't need to be an expert in Facebook ads because Vendasta offers pre-built templates, ad copy, and audience targeting options that are proven to get results. This takes the guesswork out of running successful campaigns. The next thing to note is their reporting features. When offering Facebook and Instagram ad services, clients want to know their return on investment. Vendasta's reporting system helps you easily track campaign performance with detailed reports. You can show clients exactly how their ads are performing, what's working, and where improvements are needed, all with just a few clicks. Fourth, Vendasta gives you a chance to scale. As you start offering these services to more clients, you can manage multiple campaigns from one dashboard. Everything you need is centralized, so you don't have to jump between platforms to keep track of your work. This means you can focus on growth without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, I promised you a bonus. The best part? You can try Vendasta for completely free through the first link below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get additional perks that make it even easier to jump into offering Facebook and Instagram ad services. I'm serious. If you've been on the fence about digital marketing, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. To wrap it up, Vendasta makes it easier than ever to offer Facebook and Instagram ad services. With its powerful tools, simplified process, and seamless integrations, it's the perfect platform for anyone looking to enter the world of social media advertising. Remember, you can try Vendasta for free through the link below, and don't miss out on those exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching!